day like that, though. Kirsty can tell us what's going on with the weather. Hello.
Hello there, Louise. Absolutely. The wind's going to be blowing those leaves off the trees today. Wet and windy is our story as we head through the afternoon, something you really might need to bear in mind for later on during the evening rush hour. We have got quite a blanket of cloud then that's been moving in across the UK. This main thicker cloud that's now working its way south across England and Wales, that's where we're going to see more in the way of persistent and at times heavy rain as we head through the rest of the afternoon. So we'll start with the southwest of England here, looking very wet and rather windy as well. Now we could see around say 10 to 20 millimetres of rain across some parts of southern England through the afternoon. You can see the brighter green, some really heavy downpours heading in towards the London area, really wet with some gusty winds as we head here this afternoon. Further north we might see a drier slot for a time across parts of the Midlands, northern England. But there are a few showers dotted around, especially across, say, the northwest of Scotland, also parts of Northern Ireland. Some of these showers a little bit heavy and thundery in places. But there are a few sunny spells dotted around, so you may see some leaves then, but it's a little bit of a chilly feel in the air across northern parts of the UK today. Further south, we come back into our band of rain sitting across southern parts of Wales. So fairly wet in the south through the afternoon, scattered showers further north, and for all of us, very windy. Now the winds will ease a touch later on as we head through the night, but still we keep up a fairly brisk theme as we head into the early hours of Tuesday morning. You'll notice eventually we push that rain down to the southeast. It becomes dry, it becomes very cold, overnight lows of just 4 or 5 degrees in towns and cities further north, so a touch of ground frost to start tomorrow morning. We are looking at a mostly dry and bright day. Finally it'll brighten up too in the southeast corner. One thing I have to add though is quite a brisk northwesterly wind, and that will feed in quite a few showers for northern and western parts of the UK, and these will be increasingly wintry across parts of Scotland, so snow over the Scottish mountains. 10 to 14 the highs, a very chilly feel really to the air, and we'll notice that again on Wednesday, another cold start to the day. The best of the brightness will be across eastern areas. Further west that cloud just starting to thicken up, although for most I think we'll get away with a dry day and temperatures around say 12 to 14 degrees. So a dry couple of days, Tuesday, Wednesday. The wind's not too much of an issue. However, that changes on Thursday. This low pressure across Iceland sends the weather fronts in towards the UK. It's going to be another very wet and windy spell of weather. So more autumn gales to come on Thursday, and as well as the gales, of course, we have the rain. Very wet for parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England and parts of Wales as well.